Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this amazing hot chocolate Easter mould. So delicious. So easy to make. Start with some melted dark chocolate. Then pour it into your silicone egg moulds. Swish it around to coat the sides. And refrigerate for 15 minutes. Once it's set, you can carefully peel the mould away. Brilliant. Pop that in a little bowl. Add a spoon of cocoa powder in the bottom and some mini marshmallows. Then get another half, melt the edges, and stick it on top. Amazing! Egg surprise. Now let's drizzle on some melted white chocolate. Yum! Pop that into your cup. And simply pour on the hot milk. Watch it melt away. Ooh, delicious. Try it. You won't regret it.